Hello students, welcome to your math class. This is the continuation of your chapter algebraic expression. In last class we have learned addition and subtraction of the algebraic expression. In this class we are going to learn multiplication of the algebraic expression. So first we will learn about multiplication of monomial by a monomial. Okay, so what do you mean by the monomial? Let's see. Children, monomial is a number, monomial is a variable, monomial is a product of one or more numbers and variable. Okay, for example 5, this is also monomial, y, this is monomial, and product of one or more numbers and variable. So 5x square y cube, this is also monomial. Simply we can say that an algebraic expression having only one term, an algebraic expression having only one term, that is called monomial. Okay, now why these all are not monomials? Why these are not monomials? Here addition is given there, subtraction is given there, and division is given there. So children, there are two terms. There are two terms, x and y. There are two terms, 2 and minus 3 here. Okay, so these are not monomial. Got it? As you know, in a monomial having a number, a variable are product of one or more numbers and variables. Got it? Now, okay, we must have to remember the exponent before starting the product of monomial to monomial or product of algebraic expression. We must have to recall the powers or exponent. Children, when base are same, then we will add its power, means this one, a power m into a power n, that will be a power m plus n. Okay, in the case of division, a power m divided by a power n, that will be a power m minus n. Okay, if power say power means a power m power n, that will be a power m n. Okay, and if a into b power m, that will be a power m and b power m. This formula we have to be recalled. Now multiplying monomials, when multiplying monomials you add the exponents. Here given that x square and x power 4. So children, x square and x power 4 we have to multiply it. Its base are same, then we will add its exponent. Okay, means a power m into a power n, so that will be a power m plus n. So it will become x power 2 plus 4, that is x power 6. Like that second one, 2a square y cube into 3a cube y power 4. So children, in this case we multiply its coefficient. So 2 3 are 6, a square and a cube. So we will add its power, a square and a cube. So a power 2 plus 3, that will be a power 5, means like that 2 into 3 into a power 2 plus 3, a power 2 plus 3 into y cube, and here y power 4. So that will be a power 3 plus 4. 2 3 are 6 and a power 5 and y power 7. This is your answer. Here, given simplify m cube, m power 4 and m. In these base are same, so we will add its power. So what we will get? M power 3 plus 4 plus 1. So 3 plus 4 plus 1, that will be 8. So what is the answer? M power 8. This will be the answer. And next is the powers of power. If power of power is given, then when you have an exponent with an exponent, then we multiply those exponents. Like here x square whole cube. So exponent will be multiplied. So what you will get? X power 2 into 3. So x power 6. Okay. Like the second one, y cube whole power 4. So we have multiplied those exponent. So 4 3 is 12, y power 12. Okay. Now when you have a powers outside of the parenthesis, outside of the parenthesis means outside of this bracket, the name of this small bracket, that is parenthesis. Okay, so everything in the parenthesis is raised to the power. Everything in the parenthesis means everything in this bracket that raised to that power. So children, 2a whole cube. So what we can write, 2q and a cube. Everything in the parenthesis raised to that power. So 2 cube, that is 8. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8. So 8a cube. Like that here, 3x whole square. So 3 square, that is 9. X square, that will be x. Clear? So here children is given simplifying 4r whole cube. 4r whole cube means 4r in the parenthesis. So everything in the parenthesis raised to that power. So 4 cube into r cube. 4 cube, 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4 ja 16 2 ja, sorry 16 4 ja 64. So 64 r cube. So what will be the answer? 64 r cube will be the answer. Okay, and next one is there. Okay, this is the combination of all the other rules, means x cube y square whole power 4. Okay, so here children, x cube multiplied by 4. So x power 3 into 4 into y power 2 into 4. So x power 3 4 ja 12 and y power 2 4 ja 8. So answer is there, x power 12 and y power 8. Like that in second one, 4x power 4 y cube whole power 3. So as you know that everything in the parenthesis will be raised to that power. So 4 cube is 64 and 4 3 is 12 and 3 3 is 9. So 64 x power 12 and y power 9. This is your the answer. Now when we multiply a variables, so we will add its exponent. Suppose we have to simplify 5 into 5 is a monomial. Yes, 5 is a monomial. 5 into 7n minus 2. So this 5 is multiplied with 7n and again it will be multiplied with 2. So what we will get? 7 5 is 35n. 5 into 7n minus 2, 7. So 7 multiplied by 5n, 7 multiplied by 5n minus is there, so minus 5 into 2. So 7 5 is 35 n minus 10. This is your answer. Now in second one, we have to simplify 4 upon 3a into 8a plus 12. So 3 upon 4a will be multiplied each term of the polynomial which is in the given parenthesis or in the bracket. Means 3 upon 4a multiplied by a and 3 upon 4a will be multiplied by 12. So 3 upon 4a multiplied by 8a plus is there, so plus 3 upon 4a multiplied by 12. So children, 4 2 ja 8. So 3 2 ja 6. 6a into a multiplied by a, its power will be added, a square plus is there plus 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, that is cancelled. So what we will get? So that is 12. 12 is there na. So 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 3 3 ja 9 into a. So what is your answer? 6a square plus 9a will be the answer. Like that second one, we have given that 6 RS into, in bracket, in parenthesis, that is given r square s minus 3. So each term which is in the bracket will be multiplied with this monomial. Means 6rs multiplied with r square s, again 6rs multiplied with by 3. Okay, so what will get? 6rs multiplied by r square s minus is there, then minus again 6rs multiplied by 3. So children, 6 is there, r and r square, r multiplied by r square, that will be r cube, power will be added, r cube s into s, so that will be s square minus 6 3 ja 18 rs. So what is the answer? 6r cube s square minus 18 rs is the answer. That is fourth one children. Here also we have to simplify. Here given that 4t square in bracket 3t square plus 2t minus 5. So 3t square in bracket 3t square plus 2t minus 5. So 4t square will be multiplied by 3t square. Again it is multiplied by 2t. Again it will multiplied by 5. So what you will get? 4 3 ja 12. T square and t square, that will be t power 4. Plus is there, plus 4 2 ja 8 is there. T square multiplied with t, so t square and t, that is t cube. Minus is there, then minus 4 5 ja 20 and t square. So this is the answer. 12 t power 4 plus 8 t cube minus 20 t square. And next one, here also we have to simplify. Minus 4m cube in bracket is given, minus 3m minus 6m plus 4p. So minus 4m cube multiplied by minus 3m, again it will be multiplied by 6m, again it will be multiplied by 4p. It's clear? Now children, minus 4 multiplied by minus 3, so that is minus 4m cube multiplied by minus 3m. Again minus is given there, so minus plus, okay. 4m cube multiplied by 6m, again plus minus multiplied with this plus minus 4m cube into 4p. So children, minus 4 minus 3, 4 3 is 12, minus plus 12 m cube and m, so this will be m power 4, m cube and m. Power 1 is there, we will add its power, we get 12m cube. Plus is there, 4 6 are 24 m cube n, and minus 4 4 are 16 m cube p. So m cube p, this is your answer. Okay. Here given that simplify 4y in bracket 3y square minus 1. So 4y will be multiplied with 3y square. So 3 4 ja 12 y into y square, that is y cube. Minus is there, so minus 4y multiplied by 1. So 4y multiplied by 1, as we know that 1 is the multiplicative identity. So 4y will be 4y. So that is 4y. So which one is the correct option? That is fourth one. 12y cube minus 4y is the correct option. Now students, minus 3x square y cube in bracket y square minus x square plus 2xy, that is given. We have to be multiplied. So 3 multiplied by 1. So minus 3 x square and y cube and y square, that will be y power 5. So what will be minus 3 x square y power 5. Minus is there, and here is also minus plus 3 1 the 3 x square and s square, x power 4 and y cube. Again minus plus minus 3 2 ja 6 x square and x, that is x cube and y cube, y, that is y power 4. So which option is correct there? First one is the correct option. So students, in next class we will learn more about multiplication of polynomials. Okay, thank you.